Here's how you can easily fix the verification code not received. Now, it's pretty simple to fix. Just make sure you watch this video to the end because I got 3 different methods to fix this. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we actually just want to make sure our connection is on, because this is the most common thing people face. You just go to settings, click on airplane modes, just make sure it's toggled off and your Wi-Fi is actually on and you have a stable network connection and your cellular is on. So that way when you actually can get the verification code, it actually does show up. But if that did not work, the second method, we just want to go back to settings once again and instead scroll down and find where it says messages. Once we find messages, we just click on it like so, and then we want to scroll down past all of this and make sure filter unknown senders is actually turned off, because it's a pretty common feature to have on these days, so you don't get random numbers just sending you random stuff and just random text. But we want to make sure this is off so we can actually get the verification codes. But once that is toggled off, how we actually do this now is another way to actually check if you are not getting these verification codes is I actually recommend that you go to check if the verification code provider is blocked, because it's pretty common to have blocked contacts now, and sometimes your phone does automatically blocked contacts. So I recommend just checking if that contact is blocked just by searching it up. But if that did not work, what you want to do is the last way is I recommend that you just wait. Honestly, waiting is probably the best way, because sometimes it does take a couple minutes, maybe even longer, an hour, to actually get a verification code. Now, I know that's unfortunate, but that's unfortunately the best way, or you can always resend it using the verification code provider, and that is simple as that, to receive verification codes using text and fix it. If you found this video helpful, we're trying to be the most subscribed egg on YouTube, so please subscribe.